minute, was it?
Sam's like, isn't it over?
Yay!
No, that's like the intermission kind of firework.
5 minutes.
Intermission?
5-minute break.
There's fun.
Can you really tell that it's thunder?
No.
No, it was thunder because it was like
That's what I
purple,
said.
and then it went boom.
Thunder isn't a color.
It's in my mind.
What color?
Green.
Of course.
It was thunder.
Oh no,
I saw
it's rainbow.
See,
Depends on where the
That's
thunder comes
lightning.
from.
That's
That way it's rainbow. That way it's
Actually, the lightning don't make
That's a
the noise.
staple of the day.
That's
Thunder
Ryan. There's Tabitha.
Actually, lightning doesn't make
Oh, that one was green.
lightning does not make the noise.
It doesn't make that
Air.
noise. But like, doesn't like.
He's like,
It's the air.
ooh, that's pretty lightning.
No, the air.
The air cracking.
Yes.
Pretty sure
Oh, you
it's
can crack the
firework
air.
cracking.
No.
Whack the air.
When
You can't
you see lightning and you hear thunder, the
Ow.
thunder is the air.
Yes, it really did.
Air doesn't make
I don't know. I'm not a scientist. All I know is
It's-
what a scientist
You
does.
could be.
Ever heard Sonic Boom before?
That's not air.
Google
Yeah,
it.
it is.
It's the
I
resistance
think
of
the
air
conversation
causes-
over here needs to stop it. Let's just watch the fireworks.
Right.
Someone like put off a bomb or something.
Hey, you know when you snap a towel?
Boy,
No.
you
know
have
that
a nervous
The
generation.
little snap. or a
Every time a car backfires, they
I
jump
stopped
underneath
the
it.
video on
Sonic boom.
accident.
Ooh.
Oh, you missed it.
Yeah,
Your mama.
Because you whip it.
No, she
Because
didn't.
it goes
Oh.
faster than the speed of light. No, it goes faster.
Did you see the Christmas
Sound.
colors, Kathy?
Sound, not
Yes,
light.
and it pisses me
I
off.
said nothing's faster.
Yes.
Oh my god, that was rainbow!
Shut up, Casper. The speed of light.
The particles ahead of the light.
What?
Have you ever looked?
Red and green.
We're talking particle physics.
Okay, well, I'm gonna.
Yes.
If we get into the break
Found the dark
The particles ahead of the light
How about you?
are getting pushed, right?
If you disturb it.
Geek.
Oh, like you're getting
When lightning goes off, the light you see is the ion is burning.
Hold this up.
Right.
Pushes on